Hey folks, this is Keith and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. Today I'm going to show you how to check and adjust your power steering fluid on a 2001 Pontiac Bonneville 3.8 liter V6, and this is a 3.8 liter Series 2, by the way. Now this is on an '01 Pontiac Bonneville. However, this is probably going to be similar if not the same for all of your GM 3.8 liter Series 2 V6s. Check your manual, of course, just to make sure. But the first thing that really stumps people is where's the fluid cap at, and where's the fluid reservoir at? And it's hidden right over here, just underneath the alternator, behind those heater hoses right there. You can see the power steering cap with the orange writing on it there. Now, another thing that stumps people is how in the world do I get my hand back there without burning the mess out of myself? Well, you really need to have the vehicle cool before you do this, but it's very simple. You just go down here right next to the belt here, just to the outside of that hose, and just twist your cap off. And you can see right there I've got my full cold mark up underneath where it says full cold, and then right there I've got my hot mark just up underneath where it says hot. Now say it was low, how in the world do you add fluid all the way down there? Well, that's what this funnel here is for. You really need kind of a long funnel with a narrow snout on it, and you kind of put it down in there like that. You need to hold it with this hand, don't let it fall over, and pour with your other hand. Now go very, very small increments, because if you overfill this thing, it's very difficult to get this thing adjusted down. You'll have to siphon some of that fluid out, or if you got a little suction machine that you can put on there, or maybe a turkey baster, you can suck some of that fluid out. But my advice to you is just add a little bit at a time, recheck. And of course, when you're done adding, go ahead and put your cap back in. Twist it on all the way. You don't have to twist very hard. So there you go, guys. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please read the entire description of this video before you attempt this, and like and subscribe as always. Thank you.